Hey, Big Elvis with you for another, I guess this would be what we got in today. So here's something we got in this week. Kind of cool. It is a little thing of my actual Thunderbird, the lady in red. Kind of interesting. Found this on a Facebook post. You guys might have seen it. So they take a picture of your car. They put it on a little red deal or a wooden base. Print out whatever print you want. And cut the car out of a piece of wood. And there it is. Kind of a neat little display piece. I don't know what you all think. I mean, it's not bad. It's a cool little desk display, maybe for your office or something if you got a collector car. The 77 Thunderbird I picked up, the all original, lady in red. Drop a comment. Tell me what you think of that. It was around, I think, it was shipping and all, I'm guessing around, I think around $20, maybe even $29. Took a little while to get because I did have to make it. But, leave a comment, tell me what you think. Now, as far as stuff we got in, Lisa Pogus, I think is how you pronounce her name, Desert Dame Diecast. So, we got us some Auto World, which actually, I think it's only this one, but it's the black Chevrolet, the 69 Kingwood, all black. It is a 5500 numbered limited, but that is kind of cool. The L36 427 on the plate. There is, it's always hard to get these lined up here, but there's some information about it. So, pretty neat one coming in. It would have been released 2019. And there is the, there's the 3, or the 6 that you would have got in that set. It's pretty cool. Little Auto World Chevy wagon. How about some M2s? Got this Hurst Olds 442 W30. Yeah, they are sealed. So some of these we may open. There is the 71 Charger 383. Nice look at that motor under the hood there. Looks like the doors open on her. And how about a Cuda? The Plymouth Cuda for $69. The 440. Pretty interesting. Some Johnny Lightning that I got in. I got a buddy, he's got one of these trucks. He's constantly looking for them with the step side, so I don't know if he's found this one or not, but we're gonna call him and see if he's got it. But pretty neat. Did get a Buick GSX. Pretty wild, white and black. You don't see that. Don't see them around very often. How about the Bad News? Now this one, of course, modeled after Chevrolet. I guess they couldn't get the full licensing, but a panel wagon with the clear top, so you can see what's inside the back through the top. Pretty cool, pretty interesting car. I know I put a lot of Fords out on here, and that's just my thing, but we do like all of them. Here's a Camaro, a 69 Chevy Camaro SS, done up with the racing livery. So that's an interesting one. Some more M2s we got in. The 59 GMC Fleet Side truck. Nice. Nice. See if we can scoot some of this back or out a little bit. Yep. And them square bodies, you gotta like them square bodies. This is a Miho exclusive, 1 of 48. The Ed Roth, done up as a zinger. There he is, Mr. Rat Fink, his own self. That is a pretty interesting vehicle. I do have a little Rat Fink collection that I have started, so you know. And now that I've been doing the Thunderbirds, 40th anniversary of the 2-seat Thunderbird. So there's one convertible. You can see it has the opening hood. One hardtop. And it actually might be just a soft top on it, but a little Hot Wheels action with that. Speaking of Hot Wheels action, this is interesting. I've tried, but the American Graffiti, if you've never seen the movie, you need to check it out. Got a little dust on there from shipping. Maybe have some rubber band damage. I may have to open it and try to save it. But there you go. And it is a true limited edition. Don't know how many of them was put out there, but this is 8,035. Adult collectible. And you can see it is still sealed. There's some information about the two vehicles and the film. You can pause that and check it out if you want. If you've not ever seen that movie, man, you don't know what you're missing. It is really cool. All right. And that, my friends, looks like what we got in from Desert Dame Diecast. And, of course, that first thing, the lady in red. Hope you're having a great day. We'll check you. Well, you check us out. We'll check you out. Leave a comment. Please like, share, and subscribe. Big Elvis Diecast Review. Take care of each other out there.